Hi, I'm Chef Sabi. So let me congratulate you on your purchase of this beautiful microwave by Croma. But before we understand the features, safety comes first. Please make sure that the voltage at your place is compatible to the voltage required by the microwave. Also, place the unit at safe distance from the adjacent walls. With your purchase of the main unit, you get a turntable, a roller ring, a user manual. Also, the safety interlock and observation window just makes the product easy to use. So let's know some key features about the microwave. The unit has a 20-liter capacity and is suitable for reheating and defrosting. It comes along with 5 power levels for precise heating. It also comes with an easy clean cavity. Now, let's learn how to install your microwave. Firstly, make sure that your microwave is in power off mode before we begin the installation process. Place your roller ring inside the microwave. Make sure that the grooves of the turntable match with the grooves of the shaft inside the microwave. We have two knobs on the control panel. First is the power knob. It is used to set the level of heat that is required. Second is the timer knob. This is used to set the desired time of heating. The microwave will automatically start operating once the time and power has been set. Let's see how the microwave operates. If you want to defrost your food, you set the power to medium-low and set the time according to the weight of the food. Let's say you want to reheat a grilled fish. You set the power of the microwave to medium. Similarly, if you want to boil water or milk or maybe make a vegetable stew, you set the power to high. After the process is complete, the microwave will make a beep sound. If the unit is not in use, always set the time to 0. We recommend the use of heat-resistant glassware, ceramics, and microwave-safe crockery for best results. Similarly, materials like aluminium, metal, paper, and wood are to be avoided while using the microwave. To keep the oven clean, we recommend the use of a damp cloth or a mild detergent. To remove any odor from the oven, just heat up a cup of water with lemon juice and its skin in a compatible bowl for about 5 minutes. Let me congratulate you again on the purchase of this beautiful product. This is Chef Sabi signing out.